Good morning, everyone. I hope you people are good. Let's start today's topic. Your topic is near tense. Page number 74 of Learner's Book. Your learning objectives are students will be able to find values that are close to 10. Now look at this one slide. First, I am going to teach you the combination of 10. Which two single numbers we are going to add, the answer will come 10. 1 plus 9. 9 is the big number. Keep in your mind and add the one finger. What is the answer? That is 10. Okay, 2 plus 8. 8 in your mind and add the two finger. The answer is 10. 3 plus 7. Keep the 7 in your mind and add the 3 finger in it. Answer is 10. 4 plus 6. Yes, which number is big one? 6 is a big number. Add the 4 finger in it and the answer is 10. 5 plus 5. Add 2 times 5 fingers. The answer will come 10. And remember this yellow sign. This is the sign of addition. See? This girl is also holding a one sign, that is the addition sign. Okay? Now all these are the addition sign. The yellow one, addition sign. Keep it in your mind. And in addition, what we do? We add all the numbers together. Okay, look at this one slide. On this one slide, we have some more combination of 10. Let's explain it. 0 plus 10 also make 10. And when we will add 10 plus 0, the answer will again come 10. This means when we will add the 0 in 10 and in the answer will come 10. Okay. Next is 1 plus 9 and the 9 plus 1. Keep the 9, the big number in your mind and add the small number in it. That is 1. So this means 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 1 give us the same answer, that is 10. Now move to the next one. 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2. Both have the same answer. So this means keep the 8 in your mind and add the 2 finger in it. The answer will 10. 3 plus 7 or the 7 plus 3. Both have the same answer. Keep the big number in your mind, that is 7, and add the 3 finger in it. The answer will come 10. 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4. The big number is 6. Keep that big number in your mind and add the 4 finger in it. So 6 plus 4 or a 4 plus 6 give us the same answer, that is 10. 5 plus 5. Add 5 fingers and then again 5 finger. The total is 10. Yes, these all are the numbers which we will add it. So the answer will come 10. All the possible addition sentences for 10 are these. Okay? Move to the next one slide. Look at this one slide. It's very colorful. What we have? See, over here on this one slide, children are holding some numbers and they are showing us. Now we are going to one by one add these numbers. These two boys holding 7 and 3. Next two, 8 and 2. And this girl and boy is holding 5 and 5. So one by one we are going to add these numbers. Let's see what the total will come. Okay, 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 7 in your mind and add the 3 finger in it. The total will come 10. Very good. Now 8 and 2. Which number is the big one? 8 is big one number. So keep the big number in your mind and add the 2 finger in it. 8 and 2. When we will add these two numbers, the total will come 10. Very good. 5 plus 5. Add 2 times 5. The total will come 10. Okay, one by one, when we are going to add these three numbers, three pairs of numbers, so the answer will give 10. 3 and 7 give answer 10. 2 and 8, we are going to add, the answer will come 10. 5 plus 5 also give us the total 10. Okay. Now move to the next one slide now. Yes, look at here. On this one slide, we have some dominoes. Now we are going to add it. See, you are going to count these white circles. Okay, small white circles. Write down and then add it together. Look at first one. Here is the one white circle. So I am going to write down 1 over here. Plus, and the other side we have 9. Okay, 1 plus 9 give us total. Yes, that is 10. Excellent. Now move to the next one now. Count this one. 2 white circles. 2. Next we have 8. 8 plus 2 or a 2 plus 8. Count all the circles together. Now that give us answer 10. Very good. Now next one. 3 white circles plus 7. 3 plus 7 or 7 plus 3 give us answer altogether 10. Okay, next is 4. So we are going to write on the 4 over here. The next white circles are 6. When we will add all these white circles together, that answer give 10. Okay, next count. How many circles? 5 here and the 5 again. So 5 plus 5 give us answer 10. Okay, it's very easy. Keep counting the white one circles and write it down over here. And then you will add all together these white circles. That give us answer altogether 10. Okay. Now these are only the examples. For the practice we are doing these one examples. After that we will solve the page. Okay. Now move to the next one. Wow, look at here. Okay. Now we have on this one slide 10 frame. Okay, inside the frame we have 2 color circles, that is red and blue. So one by one we are going to solve this one. Okay, we are going to count the red circles and the blue circles, and that let's see what will be the total. Okay, I am going to solve the first one, that is 0 plus 10 equal 10. Okay, look at these one circles. Here is no red circle, only the 10 blue circles. So that's why there is no red. So I have written over here 0 plus 10. That give us altogether answer 10. Very good. Now move to the next one. 4 plus 6. Look at here. These are the 4 red circles. We will count it. And after that we will count the blue one. The blue are 6. So 4 plus 6 give us altogether answer 10. Very good. Now move to the next one now. Here is 8 plus 2 equal 10. Count the red circles. Over here we have 8 red circles and the 2 blue one. So 8 plus 2, when we will count all together red and blue, that give us answer 10. Okay, now move to the next one line now. Over here. Okay, count over here how many red circles are there. Only one red circle and the 9 blue circles. So 1 plus 9 give us answer 10. Very good. Now next 5 red, 5 blue. 2 times 5. 5 plus 5 give us answer 10. Very good. 9 plus 1. 9 red circle. 1 is only the blue one. So 9 plus 1 give us altogether 10. Very good. Now 2 plus 8. Here are 2 red circles and the 8 blue circles. So 2 plus 8 give us answer 10. Very good. Move to the next one now. Okay, on next one we have how many red? 6 red and 4 blue. That's why we have written 6 plus 4. that give us altogether answer 10. Now look at here. We don't have any blue circle. We have only the 10 red. That's why we will write it down 10 plus 0. 0 is for blue circle. So there is no blue circle. That's why we will write it down 0 over here. So 10 plus 0 give us answer 10. Okay, move to the next one. 3 plus 7. Here are 3 red and the 7 blue circles. So 3 plus 7 give us answer 10. Very good. Now here, count how many red and how many blue are there. Yes, there are 7 red and 3 blue circles. So 7 plus 3 give us altogether answer 10. Okay, this is very easy. You will just count the circles and write it down the answer. Okay, this is the simple addition. Keep the big number in your mind and add the small number in it and see what is the answer. Okay, the answer of all these parts, we have the answer 10. Very good. Now move to the next one slide now. Yes, look at here. Okay, how many more to make 10? Look at this one picture. This is very colorful page. Let's solve it. Okay, now yellow fishes, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are yellow fishes. Okay, now count how many boxes are empty. 1, 2, 3, 4 empty boxes. So this means if we will draw the 4 fishes over here, that will give us altogether 10. So how many more we need? We need 4 more fishes to make it 10. Very good. Now let's see the next one. How many triangles are there? First we are going to count the triangles and then we will write it down how many more we need to make it 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles are already there. Now 2 boxes are empty. So this means when we will draw the 2 more triangles, that give us all together, yes, all together 10. Okay, 8 plus 2 make 10. Look at here. We have the stars over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now how many more we need to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 more to make it 10. Very good. Okay, look at the 4th part. Now count the bananas with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bananas are there. And how many empty boxes are there? Only 1. So this means if we will draw 1 more banana over here, that will give us altogether 10. So I am going to write down over here 1. Okay, there are 6 fishes. We will draw 4 more to make it 10. Here are 2 triangles we will draw over here to make it 10. 6 more stars when we will draw to make it 10. 1 more banana we will draw over here to make it 10. Okay. Now these are all the examples. Now look at here. On this one slide, we are going to count the black circles. In the first one line we have 5. In the second one line we have the 5. So we are going to write down 5 plus 5. That give us all together answer 10. Okay, now next count the black circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 black circles are there. Now let's draw some more. 1 and 2. I draw how many more circles? I draw 2 more circles to make it 10. Is this clear? Or 8 were already there. 8 circles, black circles were already there. I draw 2 more to make it 10. Okay, look at the next one. We have 2 black circles and I am going to draw more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many more I have draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 blue, 2 black, 8 blue. Give us all together answer 10. Okay. Now what we will do, let's see what we have on the next one slide. Yes. Now you are going to open your page number 74 of your learner book. And at the top of your page, draw small lines for day, classwork and date. What is the day? That is Monday. So here you are going to write down the full spelling of Monday. Then in the middle you will write down the full spelling of classwork. And at the top you will write down the date, that is 26th April 2021. With very neat writing, with your pencil, put date and day. Okay, and you are going to underline it also. Full spelling you are going to write down. Monday full spelling, classwork full spelling, and 26th April 2021. With very neat writing, put date and day. And this is the page number 74. What we have on this one page? How many more? How many more do you need to make a near 10? Okay, can you see over here these bags? In these bags we have different objects. Can you guess in each bag they are 10 or not? No. In this one first bag we have how many crayons? 5. Here we have how many coins? 4. Beans are 6. Marbles are 3. Sweets are 7. These are not 10. So what we will do? We have to make it 10. Okay. Let's one by one we are going to solve all these parts. Clear? Now remember, use number pairs to 10 to find out how many more are needed to make 10. Then add 1 or find 1 less. Okay, this is the first one part. Let's solve with me. First, I'm going to draw a line over here, small line. And now I'm going to count crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many crayons are there? 5. So I'm going to write down the 5 over here. Plus, how many more I need to make it 10? I need 5 more to make it 10. So this is how I will solve this one part. First, I will count how many are inside the bag, and then I will write it down how many more I needed to make it 10. Then I will add it all together and I will write down the answer, that is 10. Okay, this is how you will solve. Move to the next one part now. Yes, look at here. We have the next one part. Again, here I am going to write it down. The numbers. Okay, first draw a small line. Okay, color 4 coins, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. But we need 10. So what we will do? How many more we will put it inside to make it 10? Yes, 6 more. I will put 6 more to make it 10. Now here I will write down the all together answer, that is 10. 4 plus 6 give us all together answer 10. Very good. This is how on the small line you are going to write down 4 plus 6 equal 10. This addition sentences you are going to write it down. Okay? To complete your answer. Now move to the next one now. Look at here. Wow, let's see what we have on this one bag. Yes, we have the beans. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beans are there. But we need how many? We need the 10. So how many more we put beans inside the bag? Yes, we will put 4. When we will put the 4 more beans inside the bag, the answer will come 10. So here I am going to write down the 10. 6 plus 4. Add all together and see what is the answer. The answer is 10. Okay, 6 plus 4 give us answer 10. This is how you are going to write down addition sentence. Okay. Draw the line, write it on the line. Draw how many Count how many beans are there inside the bag. Write it down. And how many more we needed to make 10. You are going to write down over here. Okay, move to the next one now. Yes, what we have on this one bag? Let's see, some shiny marbles. Let's draw a small line over here and count these shiny marbles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here I am going to write down the 3. But we need how many? We need 10. Yes. So how many more I will put it? I will put 7 more inside the bag to make it 10. So count it together. 7 is a big number. Keep in your mind and add the 3 finger in it. Okay, that gave us answer 10. Very good. 3 plus 7 all together give us answer 10. Yes, very good. Now move to the next one now. Yes, see what we have on this one bag. Yes, we have the sweets inside the bag. Now draw a small line over here and let's count the sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sweets. We are going to write on the 7 over here. Plus, how many more we need to make 10? Yes, 3 more. Very good. Your answer is correct. So which one is the big one number? 7 is the big one number. Keep the 7 in your mind and add the 3 finger in it. And what is the answer? 10. This is how you will write down the answer over here. 7 inside the bag. 3 we will put it more to make it 10. Now 7 plus 3 give us all together answer 10. Okay, this is how you will complete your this one part. Okay, look at here. Yes, this is the final look of your page. All answers are written over here. Now, I am going to explain it again. Can you see over here? Right after the question was how many more do you need to make a near 10? I am going to underline this one counting. Yes. Yes. Right after the question, I write numbers 0 till 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have written all the number 10. Okay. Now see, 5 plus 5 make us 10. 4 plus 6 give us answer 10. 6 plus 4, that answer is 10. 3 plus 7, answer is 10. 7 plus 3 also give us answer 10. But here are some more addition sentences. Those we are going to add that give us answer 10. We take the help from up one addition. Okay, the numbers which I have written over here. Up one numbers, counting numbers 0 till 10. Okay. 1 plus 9 also give us answer 10. 8 plus 2, when we will add it, the answer will come again 10. 0 plus 10 give us answer 10. 9 plus 1 is also 10. 2 plus 8 also give us answer 10. Okay, there I have written more combination to make 10. Some was there which I have solved to count the pictures. How many we have inside the bag and how many we will put it more to make it 10. And here I have written some more addition sentences which were not there. And when we will add these two numbers, the answer will come 10. Okay, this is how you will solve your page. Draw the small lines and then you will write down the answers on it. And here in the corner you can write it down some more addition sentences. Okay, this is very easy page and do it your work very neat writing. Okay, neatly done your page. Is this clear? Okay, that is it for today. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.